So we are going to deal with the topic of framing a formula. How to frame a formula for the given statement questions. For that, let us practice some questions. The first is the area A of a square of side A. Now that means for the first one you have a square of side small a. That means, and we are all aware that a square is having all the sides equal to a only. So we'll write a for the all sides as its measurement. Now this square of side a is having area equal to capital A. What are they saying? The area A of square of side A is equal to square of its side. That means if you want to write this, the area of square is given equal to the square of its side. That means the square of side. This is how we can represent it. Now what is area of square given as? It is already given to us as capital A. This is equal to the side square. What is the side over here? It is given to us as small a. So we write small a square. So this forms the formula. The formula for the first question would be capital A is equal to a square, where capital A represents the area of this square and small a represents the side of this respective square. So next, moving on to the next question, question number 2, we have perimeter of a square is 4 times the length L of its sides. So I'll write over here that perimeter of a square would be equal to 4 times what? 4 times the length of its side. So we'll write over here length of its side. That's good enough. Now we can place the variables according to this. What is the variable for perimeter over here? We have P. So we write P is equal to 4 times what is the length of its side. The length of the side is also given to us as small l. So we'll write 4 into L. That means the formula comes out to be this. P is equal to 4L, where P represents the perimeter of the square and L represents the length of the side of that square only. Similarly, doing the third question, we have 1/5 of n added to 4/5 of m, and when you add them up, their total will give you 16. So that means if you want to write it, you can write 1/5 of n added to 4/5 of m. This gives you 16. Am I correct? So now what can you write this as? We know this can be written as 1/5 multiplied by 9 because of represents multiplication. So we write 4/5 into m equal to 16. This gives us n/5 plus 4m/5 equal to 16. Now this represents the formula as per the question that we were given, right? 1/5 of the n added to 4/5 of the m gives us 16. So this is how you can frame your formulas.